Hi guys, welcome back Alley Cats. And if you're not an Alley Cat, subscribe, become one. Join the kitty litter. It's not as gross as it sounds. I mean, you know, a little. So as you know, I haven't uploaded for a few weeks. It's been difficult. I've been really struggling with depression and and that's what this look is based on actually, is just how I see my depression. So enjoy. All right, let's get into this. Using the Joe Blasco Red Neutralizer 1. Still am using the sample. The sample has lasted so long. Oh my god, it's crazy. But this stuff is so good. It really does neutralize my redness, and I don't feel like I need to use concealer over top of it because it blends straight into my skin tone. Also using NYX Undereye Corrector. This is in the shade Pale, and I've been using this forever. I mean, you guys kind of know this routine now. Milani Perfect and Conceal, again, that's a go-to. Kind of nothing new here. With this video, I just wanted to sit down and express how my depression makes me feel. That looked like a lot of different things in my head. Nothing that formed a really good cohesive look. But I ended up thinking about a rain cloud hanging over my head and the feeling of suffocation. And that's going to come into play later on. I just really wanted to film again. It's just hard to do anything. It's hard to do the basic things like getting out of bed, showering when you're depressed. So filming a video is like, whew. But I also really wanted to film because I hit 500 subscribers, 500 Alley Cats. Like, what? That was a little bright shining light in my very dark tunnel right now. It's so exciting. And I couldn't wait any longer. I needed to film something for you guys. And I just wanted to thank you guys for everything that you do. Your comments mean so much to me. Your support on my Instagram, like, just everything. Okay, enough of being sappy. I've skipped over so many parts, but a lot of it was basic anyways. It was really just me, like, contouring and highlighting. And you've seen that, right? Like, and freckles, of course. And I did prime my eyes, and I filled in my eyebrows, and we're ready to go. We're ready to actually get into this look now, finally. It's been like 2 minutes, but finally. Using Mehron Paradise Paint in Black, Real Techniques foundation brush, and I had no idea what the hell I was about to do. I just knew I was going to do something. Using Kat Von D Shade and Light eye palette, I am basing out my eyes before I actually go into that paint. And I just wanted a really smoky, kind of like I haven't slept in 1,000 years type of look. Which is funny because I've actually been oversleeping. So really just using a bunch of taupes and grays and just really creating a smoky eye. You know I still gotta contour my eye bags, like, duh. Obviously. I didn't know what I was going to do. I just started to move my brush and it became this. That's really what it was. I didn't have a plan here at all. It turned into kind of a messy wing. What I end up feeling like this looked like is that I had a badass wing on and then the rain just kind of like fudged it all up. But I mean, it still looks cool. I use the tip of my brush and what's left of the product on the brush, and I am just creating smudges all over my eyelid. I didn't want this to be perfect. I didn't want anything to be perfect because nothing feels perfect right now. I don't know that anything ever feels perfect, but you know what I mean. So I was just kind of letting my hand move the brush, and again, had literally no plan here. It's just what happened. Ended up kind of looking like tear streaks or something. Going in with Hank & Henry Blickity Black Eyeliner and creating a sharp inner corner as well. And I made these little teardrops out of hot glue. Really easy to do. And then I glued them down with lash glue. Oh, there's a Bimo. This is my cat Bimo. He's only about 9 months. He's my baby. So I used this Makeup Forever eyeliner pencil, and I used it in this beautiful teal color and just filled in the teardrops with like streaks of blue. Now here's where that feeling of suffocation comes in. I covered my mouth with that black paint really messily just across my face, and then I drew on a smile. We all know what this means. Like, if you have depression, you know, like you smile through it, right? So there it is. Okay, I gotta shout out my girl here, Jasmine Sue. She is a boss, literally though. She is a makeup artist and beauty director. She has her own makeup company, which is called Rosehand Art & Co. And her lashes are bomb. So bomb. Look at these babies. Oh my god. And then here is the look. So it's weird to like say it like so excitedly. Like there I am depressed. But yeah, I really wanted to film this for you guys, but I also just wanted to film it to explain why I've been gone and why I probably won't be consistent in my posts, and I'm very sorry about that. But I appreciate all of you and your patience with me. I know it's hard for way more than just me right now. There's a lot going on. There's a lot to be worried about, anxious about, and depressed about. And if you're like me, you also have seasonal affective disorder, so you're depressed about the season changing. I mean, what else can we pile on here, right? But anyways, I just hope you guys are staying safe for the holidays and that you still get that connection with your loved ones that you need. I know that's so hard right now. Take care of yourselves. I'm going to try and take care of myself too. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!